I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you BMW 3 Series Bluetooth not working. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If your BMW 3 Series Bluetooth not working, then we need to follow some steps. In case of connection problems, first try to delete the connection stored in the mobile device and in the vehicle, and then try to reconnect your mobile device. This is the first thing you need to try. If the problem persists, you can check the back page to see if a software update is available for the BMW. A software update via USB is only possible for certain BMW models with production date from 2008 and BMW iDrive operating system with main menu with display in the form of tiles or lines. BMW vehicle with operating system 7 or newer stay up to date with the latest technology via regular BMW remote software upgrades. So we'll need to consider this thing. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.